Today we're going to be looking at how to use the timer mode on our Nixon High Tide watch. This watch has 4 different buttons. You've got 2 at the top, you've got 2 at the bottom. To use your timer, what you're going to have to do first is you're going to have to use the mode button, which is your bottom left button, to get to the timer mode. You can see right now I am in the Tide mode. If I press this bottom right button, that's my simple toggle to get to a different mode. Now I'm in my sun and moon mode, my chronograph, and last but not least, timer. You'll know you're in the right mode because it will say timer on the screen. This watch comes with 6 different timer options. 3 of them are going to be presets. 3 of them are going to be custom that you can change any way you want to. The 3 presets you can use, but you cannot change the values for. So you'll notice right now on my watch, I'm at custom number 1. If I want to change to any of the other timers, I can simply press the upper right button. Now I'm at custom 2. Custom 3, preset 1, preset 2, preset 3. Your presets are 5-minute, 20-minute, and 30-minute timers. If you want to change any of the custom timers, again, we can't change the presets. We're going to basically go to the custom one that we want to change. I'm on custom number 1. I'm going to press and hold the bottom left button. Similar to changing our time, but you have to be on the timer mode and you have to be on the custom value that you want to change. So I'm going to press and hold it. My minute value will highlight. Now I can use the buttons up at the top to simply move the value up or down to whatever minute value I want. Once I've got my minute set, I'm going to press the bottom right button to go to my seconds. I can adjust my seconds accordingly. Again, using these top buttons. I can press the bottom right button again and I can adjust my hours. So maybe I want to set a timer for 23 hours or whatever value you want. Simply put it the way you want. I'll do 2 hours, and once you're done with that, you can press the bottom left button once and it will take your changes. If you don't press the bottom left button, let's say you're setting it, phone rings, you forget to do it, after a few seconds, it will automatically save whatever values you've entered and it will back out of the screen. As it does with most of the settings on this watch. If you're in a settings mode and you're in the middle of setting and you don't do anything, it'll auto save for you. Pretty simple stuff. We're going to use the bottom right button to start our timer. We're going to use the bottom right to stop our timer. Very similar to the chronograph feature. And if we want to reset it, we are going to press and hold the bottom right button. You'll see it says hold to reset, and we've reset our timer. You can stay in the timer mode as long as you want to. So if you've got a timer running and you want to stay in here, it's kind of nice. You've got your time and your date up here, so you can always see the current time as well as your timer value. But maybe you don't want to see that. You can still go to a different mode. So if I want to go to my sun and moon mode and stay in there, that's fine. My timer is still running in the background. I don't have to go to the timer mode in order for it to continue or for it to alert me. It will alert me. But if I wanted to, I can always press the bottom left button and go back to the timer mode and check the time of my timer. Pretty simple stuff. That's a quick look at how to use the timer mode on your Nixon High Tide watch. Thanks for watching.